Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold US dollar, euro dollar and dollar yen as I have discussed it. This entire week I have covered these pairs in depth and I'm sure if you are following me, you will be in good profits till now so far. So what I said yesterday about the gold US dollar, let's have a look at it. First of all, this is a very nice comeback of the bulls right here. If you can see all the way from right here on the H4, I'm keep discussing that gold is going to go back up, and right here the result is in front of us. The long-term image of the market, if you want to see that, make sure my videos are these days not too much lengthy. Check out all of my videos that I uploaded this week, and these whole stories actually started all the way from the last weekend. On Saturday, the analysis and the full plans that I have shared are now paying me off, or giving me profits I should say. So my friends, gold US dollar, if we see, and from the level, actually from the level from where it reverses, we all can have a look at it right here. 1884, 1885, we have got a very nice pattern right here, followed by 61.8% retracement, which is my favorite pattern. Always we get it, see right here 61.8 and the close above. So on the H4, nothing actually since last night. Just this sell trade worked for around 123 pips, a drop from, just like I said yesterday, 1922 and then 1911. So I assume most of the traders may be in the long positions from right here 113 pips. It went up completely, and there was one possibility that I was looking for that, but unfortunately, just like I discussed it last night in the video, what I said was that if we get a close below 1914 on the H4, you will remember, then I'm going to look it towards 61.8% retracement right here, 1899, somewhere closer to this zone. And obviously that did not happen, because I was anyways looking for a buy positions. I also discussed it that this is not intended to be for a long-term sell. Let's suppose someone who want to take a sell trade right here and want to take profit right here 1899, this 61.8% retracement, I clearly have mentioned that it may happen, it may not happen. Those who missed this rally and want to enter this one again, that's the perfect level. Even tomorrow there is a probability that the market, if it continues to trade in this range, there is still, like, to those of the traders who are blindly saying it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, no doubt my friends, it's going up. But when it comes to technicals, we definitely have to follow our technical plans. So the technical plan, obviously that is still the same as yesterday. Make sure to check out that video as well, because I'm going to discuss this time frame a little bit. This is a zone between 1925, you can say, and 1914, and these were actually my target zones as well. I closed some of the positions yesterday. Now we have to study this once again. If, let's suppose, if you want to look for, like, if you want to expect that the price is bouncing off from a certain level, you have to see how much it dropped, in how much time it did drop from there, and what was the procedure of that. So same I want to discuss with all of you again today. Even I discussed it several times, but you guys just look at the levels and don't pay close attention to the learnings. Right here we have got on the intraday decision a very nice drop, and we also have to see the previous trend, and that got ended near this break of support, where the support was broken, and what happened after that, market took a retest and the continuation. So I don't want to drag this session too much today. because all of the things I have already discussed. Gold US dollar is pretty much simple. If it gives a break below on the H4, look towards 1895 and 19003 for potential buy opportunities. If it break to the top, then what we can do is we can look for further buy opportunities on the retest from here. And the opportunities, the levels that I have discussed yesterday's, check out my yesterday's videos as well, but 1946 till 1947 and 1940 are the levels. Plus long term I'm also looking at bullish, but I'm just waiting for this weekly candle to close. So now let's move on to the day trading opportunities. And the day trading opportunities, if we see a very nice trend, the market got all the way from here. You know, when the market was creating these lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Similarly right here, but right here the story was something else. We have got this pattern in the market, then a pullback, and the trend right here was approximately broken. Then to trap the traders, it came back down once again, took another retest and an up move followed by 61.8% retracement. How beautiful market structure it was, and definitely then the rally. So there are now these levels. Obviously if it breaks below, I will be looking for sell opportunity. If ABCD point of view, if I discuss that with all of you, on the H1 or for the day traders, I clearly see one sell opportunity. If it start to breaks below towards 1899, you can put your stop up there near 1924, somewhere closer to that, right here most probably. But again, as I'm looking for bullish opportunities on the gold US dollar, so I'm not interested in this sell trade. Let's have a look at the M15. There is one intraday trading opportunity we have at 1914. If you want to generate around 100 pips towards 1923, if you want to trade this range, then yes, this is going to be a very nice one. Otherwise there is still like completely gold is bullish on higher time frames. Tomorrow we have a big fundamental event as well, symposium, and Powell speaks as well, so that can change this whole image. Even we had unemployment claims today that came positive for the dollar, but gold didn't. The bears or the sellers on gold did not show any sort of interest, because this 1911 zone, you may remember, it is exactly rejected from right here, even on the daily time frame yesterday, and even it rejected from right here today on the H4. So the image is kind of to the sell side is blurry, to the buy side it's clear, but this is market, anything can happen. Now coming on to the euro US dollar, just like I said yesterday, it's going back up, it did, and from here the sell trade was discussed from 1.08709, from where I exactly said 57 pips right here you can generate, and the market may create a double bottom right here, and then it will be continuing back up. So euro US dollar no doubt is completely standing at a very nice bullish zone. 1.08 I was discussing all the way from up there. Let's recall some of the zones which will help us further in my analysis. First of all, on the this, if you see the trend, we can say is broken, we can say is not broken. Next week it will be completely decided, right? The ABCD point of view, if I discuss that, it has completed this ABCD pattern, and from 1.12 you may remember we are holding a sell analysis right here. I was trapped right here on these bullish trade opportunities because the market was showing me this thing. It did not did that, so I'm a long-term trader and I have to keep these trades. If it gives me a break below, then I will be looking towards 1.02 165. But before that, I would like to take another trade at 106,573. So for now, let's just discuss and stay with this support of 1.06587 on the H4. If we see, very nice bullish opportunity right here towards just like yesterday, towards 1.09676. but remember, if this bottom is broken to the bottom side, then the story will be something else. Now most of the traders will be emotionally selling it, looking at this sell candle, but technically this is like 50-50, you can say. Market may bounce off from here, it may drop from here. The correct buy zone will be 1.06587. currently it is also at a good buy zone standing, it is, and there is one trade setup currently active in the market. There is very less volume at the moment, but the ideal take profit for this one will be, if you don't want to take it too much, around 1.08516. and yes, this is about the euro dollar. It did not did much today, but just this one sell trade today, and this one buy trade of 77 pips and a sell trade of 60 pips it's gave, and currently it's showing bullish. If it breaks below, you will lose very less. Your stop loss should be just around 1.07850, very less stop loss, but it's clearly showing me bullish at the moment. Now what else I'm going to discuss, the dollar yen. If we see, is exactly standing up there yesterday, right here. If you see, yesterday it gave this closing. Let me delete some of these things so the image gets further clearer to us. Well, dollar yen, keeping the fundamental news apart, technically it is standing at a sell zone, and market should drop towards 143.581 from right here, with stops near this zone. So I would like on this count to take one sell trade. Maybe tomorrow I may be stopped out at 146, because one thing I forgot, and that is yes, stop should be above this, and the take profit for this one should be right here at 872 pips of TP and 447 pips of SL, it will suggest. So it's good, and it can give us some nice profits, hopefully. At the moment, this is also showing a sell sign towards 145, but at least if we can, just like on gold, if I mark this zone, still there is a good profit margin of around 45 pips as an intraday one. So you can take your decisions accordingly. Make sure to read this disclaimer. And yes, looking for further buy opportunities on the dollar yen, no my friend, that will not be a very good idea, and it will be then dropping. If we see for any trend change, let's say this daily is predicting this thing, but it right here gave a breakout, so most probably I will be looking for 143.50, and then we will decide what it's going to give us further. So then I will be communicating with you tomorrow. I will also like to try to do the live stream, so most probably, or maybe a video before the live stream. So that's it for now. If I see anything else, I will definitely update all of you, all of my clients. Again, I'm so happy you guys must have made good profits this week. Overall, since June, this week of August was a very strong positive week. So take care of yourself. Do let me know about your questions, comments, feedbacks in the comment section down below. Anyone who is interested to take my premium services, premium course, if you want to understand my strategy, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and I can definitely train you. In a period of 3 months, you will be able to do all of these things yourself. Okay, take care of yourself. Looking forward to hear from you. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.